How to build wealth over 20 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $69,490. $200 monthly contribution grows to $133,375. $300 monthly contribution equates to $197,260. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $261,145. $500 monthly contribution becomes $325,030. $600 monthly contribution grows to $388,915. $700 monthly contribution turns into $452,081. $800 monthly contribution becomes $516,686. $900 monthly contribution grows to $580,571. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $644,456. It'll require a monthly contribution of $1,557 over 20 years to accrue to $1,297.